Thank you, baby. Thank you. Hi, everybody. That was my boyfriend delivering me a Dr. K because he's just such a sweetheart like that. Happy Labor Day, baby. I love you.
Love you too.
What?
I said I love you too.
Okay. Anyways, I've been getting some more requests for doing burps, so here you go. Ew, that tastes like pepperoni pizza from last night. Anyways. Tomorrow I get to finally go get some actual Dr. Pepper. Yay! Because this shit, this big K, Dr. K stuff, bleh. Boo. I mean, it tastes more like carbonation and fizz than it does soda. I did this really huge, loud, long one the other day, and only my boyfriend's Xbox Live friends got to hear it. And I was like, man, that would have been awesome for YouTube. You guys should have heard it. It was like, I was like, dang it. I always do the best ones when I'm not on camera. That sucks. Anyways, don't get any ideas, creepers. Anyways. I had to force that last one a little bit. Okay. I'm going to try to do one more. A closed mouth one. Well, I hope you guys like that, and happy Labor Day. And for those of you in my different areas, if it's not Labor Day for you, well, love you anyway.